Hey everybody, it's Anna from Palmstreet, and today we're going to be going over a quick tutorial for our sellers on Stripe verification and account payouts. This is one of the most important steps that you can take to fully ensure that you are ready to start earning on the platform. Whether you're just getting started or checking to make sure that everything's in order, this will help you to feel confident about receiving your earnings on time. So there are a few key areas I'll be covering with you today, so let's take a look at those. So the first thing that we're going to touch on is receiving a payout. So before you can start receiving your payouts at Palmstreet, there are two essential steps you'll need to complete. You're going to need to verify your identity and set up a valid payout method. In this tutorial, we'll walk through the entire process step by step. You'll learn how to complete your Stripe verification, how to add your preferred payment method, and finally, how to withdraw your available balance once everything is set up. It's quick, straightforward, and super important to ensure there are no delays when it's time to get paid. So let's get started. In order for payouts to be enabled on your Palmstreet account, there are two quick but essential steps. First, it's a phone number verification. Now, you only have to do this one time, but you're going to enter a valid phone number and confirm it by entering the text code that we send you. Second is a Stripe identity verification. This step is handled securely through Stripe, where you'll upload a valid form of ID, like a driver's license, and you're going to follow the prompts to confirm your identity. Now, we want to make sure that we're keeping you safe and the platform safe and your money safe, right? So this is a one-time step just to keep everything secure. Both steps must be completed before payouts can be activated. So once you've completed the phone and the identity verification steps, you're ready to set up your payment method. So when you want to get paid and you want everything to be paid out, this is how you're going to do it. First, we're going to tap the Set Up Payouts button in your account settings. Next, you'll choose your preferred payout method, such as PayPal, Venmo, or Stripe, and tap Add. Then, follow the prompts to securely link the corresponding account. Once this is done, you're all set to receive your payouts directly to your chosen method. It's quick, flexible, and gives you control over how you get paid. Once your payout method is set up, you can withdraw your available balance at any time. Here's how. Start by tapping the Withdraw Balance button beneath your available balance. Then you can tap the Payout button to begin. Next, enter the amount you'd like to withdraw and choose your payout method. Then you're going to finally review the details and confirm. That's it. Your payout will be on its way. It's a simple process designed to give you flexibility and control over when you get paid. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in our next tutorial.